Welcome back to the channel. I just thought I would add an underneath inspection of the Austin Champ while it's in the garage. Something a bit different on the lift today. Well, I'll try and add this into the video that I've already done a couple of, about a week or so ago. I'll just pass the phone over to Tim. Just keep it like that, and then you can just go on.
There we are. You can see there between the jack arms, these two big bars that go down there, the torsion bars for the front suspension. And if I come back, you can see we've got torsion bars for the rear suspension. So this is all independent suspension back in 1952. Looking up here, we can see there, this is the transmission shaft for the front wheels, and up there is the transmission shaft for the rear wheels. And if I turn round, you can see the differential unit back here, and that is very much the heart of the transmission, because it doesn't just contain the diff for the back axle, it's got the four-wheel drive shift in it, and it's also got the forward reverse shift in it, the feature that gives this 5 forward gears and 5 reverse gears. Very pleased with the way it looks underneath, I must say. And then moving forward, see the wishbones, rack and pinion steering. It's interesting on this particular one, it's been fitted at some point with radial ply tyres, and the steering is completely unassisted, so I can testify to the fact the steering is very heavy when it's on the road. Eases off a bit as you get going, but it's slow speeds, the steering is very heavy. But once you've got the wheels up in the air like this, the wheel turns an absolute treat. No problem at all. So there's nothing wrong with the steering joints. It's simply the way the rubber is meeting the road. Exhaust system there, all looking sound. This tube here is the jacking point for the original jack, one on each side. So there would have been a big bar gone in there, and then it would have jacked up from the side. I haven't got that with it. Might have to have a look out for one of those at a sale somewhere. But all told, very, very neat indeed underneath. Slightly worrying aspect is that there's no oil leaks at all. And it's always said of these that if there's no oil leaking out, it's because it's got no oil in it. I don't believe that for a moment, but we shall see. There's certainly some quite hard to get at level plugs in there, but you can just see the level plug there for the rear diff, and there's a similar one for the front diff. So that's going to have to come off at some point just to check that we've got plenty of 140 grade treacle in there.